Hi there, how are you? Today we are going to create a bear, so let's get started. We are going to start out with his head, and this is going to be either a square or rectangle shape with the soft angles, the soft corners right here. Mine is more of a rectangle shape. Then let's put some ears on him, some upside down C's. And then inside each of those ears, let's put the little inside area to the ear. And those are also smaller upside down C's. Now down here for his nose area, we're going to make a soft triangle, just like that. And then we are going to make his actual nose, and it's going to be an oval shape with a little shine mark in it. And you can fill that in with your marker. Now coming down from the center of that, we're going to make a straight line, and that's going to be his mouth area. If you'd like, you can put a few little whiskers. I just like to put dots there, so it's up to you. And when you do your eyes, going to come back up, some wide set eyes. He can be looking down, looking up to the side. It is up to you. Now for his body, what we're going to do is we're going to start out by making, it's almost like a J shape, but it stops short, just like that. And then we come to the other side and we make a straight line. And this is going to be the first part of his arm. Then we're going to make the second part of his arm, the other side. And we are going to come around and we are going to connect. Now for this arm on this side, we're going to do something similar. Come down, go across, and come back up, just like that. Now we can put some little lines for his paws. And then this is going to seem kind of silly, but right underneath this arm, what we're going to do is make a foot, and it's going to appear like it's floating at first, but we will attach it to this part of his body. On top of that square for his foot, we're going to make 3 smaller squares. Those will be his toes. And then right here, right at the edge of this line, you can make another soft square with 3 more toes. If you want to put more than 3 toes, that would be fine too, just like that. Now we're going to connect these 2 feet, and we are going to connect this hand to this foot. Now to finish up, we're going to make his belly. So we're going to make a circle here and then a circle here, and that will kind of connect those 2 areas, so that can be his tummy area. And then we're going to give him a little tail. Alrighty, I hope you like him. Thank you for watching. Bye.